Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection issues on Android. Troubleshooting guide. Here are the most common reasons your Wi-Fi won't connect on your Android device. The first is the Wi-Fi signal might be disrupted. Your network or password is wrong. Your Wi-Fi is turned off. Your modem signal is blocked or distant. You have a damaged or inappropriate cable. Parental control settings are blocking your connection. You're out of data. Your case is too thick or is blocking the Wi-Fi signal. Your phone is infected. Your VPN is slowing your connection. To fix this, first check if the Wi-Fi connection is working on another device. Then, try connect to another network. If you can connect to Wi-Fi with someone else's phones or tablets, it's likely a network issue. If you can connect to another network, the problem is probably with your device. Here's how to troubleshoot your Wi-Fi connection on Android. First, restart your Android device. Second, check modem or router connections and reset to default settings. On the settings, go to System and search for Reset Wi-Fi. Then, tap Reset Settings and confirm. Your phone or tablet is now factory fresh. Update your phone or tablet to the latest version is prompted. Your Wi-Fi might not be working because you're using an outdated Android version. If you don't update it, it can cause compatibility issues with your Wi-Fi connectivity. We recommended keeping your Android version updated to maintain the best possible device security and connectivity. It can also help to speed up your Android. No matter what Android device you have, a dedicated performance app can help free up space on your phone and keep your internet pathways clear. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.